Recently, one of our clients required representation in a two-vehicle accident that occurred at an intersection in Ohio. Here's what happened before the accident. The insured was traveling by car to visit a family member on a sunny afternoon. Traveling straight on Road A, the insured approached the intersection of Road A and Road B. The insured was obeying the speed limit and traveling in their lane of travel on Road A. Across the intersection, the defendant, who had stopped to pick up dinner for their family, continued on their way home, traveling the opposite direction of the insured on Road A. Now, on to the accident. The intersection for the defendant had a left turn lane, and the defendant drove into the left turn lane and stopped at the stop bar on a green light. After the defendant stopped, the defendant claims to have waited for a car to pass and claims the green light turned yellow and then red, where they then started a left turn. It was during this left turn the defendant claims the insured did not stop and struck them. Meanwhile, the insured claims their green light turned yellow as they entered the intersection and the defendant turned into them. The insured claims they never saw the light change to red. We started the investigation and collected a lot of evidence, which included witness statements, police reports, medical bills, and car accident reports and damage quotes. We took depositions of the insured and of the defendant. We also served interrogatories to the defendant and discovered they were uninsured against liability. It was at that point we decided to file a motion for summary judgment. We used two affidavits and answers to requests for interrogatories and requests for admissions. The motion for summary judgment included affidavits from the insured, insurance company, and the investigating police officer. The insured's and insurance carrier's affidavits included the damages paid. The defendant opposed the motion for summary judgment. The court granted our motion for summary judgment because the defendant failed to establish any issue of material fact and the plaintiff proved the defendant violated Ohio Revised Code for failing to yield the right-of-way. The court also concluded the defendant's failure to yield was the proximate cause of the damages to the insured. As a result, the court granted the motion for summary judgment in full. Be sure to check out our other videos on subrogation and litigation here at Keys George, your subrogation partner throughout the Midwest United States.